In this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Moonpay to another wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. So first, go ahead and open Moonpay on your device and make sure you're signed in to your account. After that, in your Moonpay account, just go to the Moonpay BTC and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. After that, you'll find the send address feature, so just press the send, then tap on the send from your browser and you'll be redirected into your browser. And then here you can do the same things that I told you. After tapping on the send, select the recipient's address. Click on the select the recipient's address button and let's just say we want to do MetaMask. So let's enter MetaMask and then we'll select Ethereum, for example. So press receive and then copy the address. After that, we'll go to our Moonpay again and we'll have to enter the address. Then you'll have to select the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to that account. And from there, there's going to be a network fee. So just select the preferred one and that's it. You're done. And that is how you can simply send Bitcoin from Moonpay to another wallet. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.